just to show you how sparkly darkly that is. That's looking pretty mighty fun, don't you think? I am a real house cleaner that's got some skills to share. Sad but true, I drink coffee out of this ugly, disgusting thing. Look at it. It is just wrong. And you can get some pretty nasty looking stains on it. I mean, like, yeah. So I'm going to show you the easiest way to clean this coffee pot. Ivory dishwashing soap, perfect for your dishes too, not just cleaning everything else in the universe. So I'm just going to put some directly in there. I'm going to add a little bit of hot water, as hot as you can stand it. Luckily the lid comes off. We're not even going to look at the underside. I refuse to get any new ones. They break down constantly. This one is like the creme de la creme of old timer coffee pots. I'm going to use some of these magic eraser type erasers. Just grab the cheap ones at the dollar store. They all dissolve the same. Apparently, this is made from recycled plastics. I do try to be environmentally friendly when I'm cleaning, and I have not heard of anything really detrimental about using these. It seems to me that they are pretty safe. So if you know any different, you've got some links or something to share, please do. And I'm just gonna take this magic eraser and I'm gonna give this coffee pot a little scrub. And it's really coming off easy peasy. Flip it. Be careful because they break easy. Okay, let's see. Oh, it's gonna be so clean. Just to show you how sparkly darkly that is. That's looking pretty mighty fun, don't you think? So now you do not want to go without rinsing it really well. Again, with some ivory, put it in there, give it some water, get it nice and bubbled up, and make sure that you rub every surface. A scrub with soap and water, that's how you clean things truly. Now this is not going to ever come out perfect, guaranteed. But I'm gonna give it my best. I'm gonna put some ivory on there. And I mean, if we get some of this off, it'll be truly amazing. I'm gonna rinse it and do another little clean with the ivory. We know it's cleaner, and we know that it's just a stain. Stains on a coffee pot are not gonna kill you. Rinse everything really good because you do not want your coffee to taste like ivory. If you don't succeed at first, try again. All right, I'm not even gonna put the lid on there because that's scary. But look at that. It's a thing of beauty, and it is now presentable enough to actually let my family and friends drink out of.